Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about the huge penny list that starts today at Dollar General. Plus, I have some hidden penny items that I have to tell you all about. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in, shall we? So first up, I do want to go ahead and let you all know that I have already uploaded several other Dollar General videos for you all this week. We have some amazing coupon deals, we have run glitches, and we also have a 3-day sale which ends today on Tuesday, July the 4th. Then I also uploaded a video on Saturday going over all the new clearance markdowns and penny list information, everything that's happening today. So if you missed out on any of these videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're all going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, now let's go ahead and talk about the penny list, which starts today on Tuesday, July the 4th. Y'all know the #1 rule to penny shopping is that we do not ask employees about penny items. All you have to do is go into your local Dollar General store, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video. If you find one, scan it with your Dollar General app and make sure that you have your correct store location set. If the item scans and it comes up 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. So first up, going down to 1 penny, we have the Good and Smart almonds, as well as the Good and Smart whole cashews. So be on the lookout for those two products. The UPC code is on the screen there for you all. And we also have a huge category of items. So we have all of our brown dot home items going down to just 1 penny starting today on Tuesday, July the 4th. So, in general, for this category, what you want to be on the lookout for are the brown dots on the price tag. As you all can see in this picture, the brown dot is right underneath the $4 price tag. Now, I want you guys to keep in mind that these items have been on the shelves since before Christmas, fall of 2022. So, they've been up there for a while, and some of these items may have lost their price tag. They may have gotten rubbed off, kicked around, who knows. So, if that is the case, if you find an item that you see in one of these videos and you think, I believe that's a brown dot, you can always check above the barcode. Be on the lookout for that F22. And like I always say, if you're ever in doubt, scan, scan, scan. Now, with all that being said, there are going to be some hidden penny items that are following the brown dot category, such as this one right here. And I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to Melissa for sending this one in. She said she wasn't sure if the sticker got rubbed off or what, but she didn't see a brown dot anywhere, nor an F22, but she did find a few of these at a couple different stores, and she got them for 90% off last week. So that is an amazing find. Like I said, the UPC code is on your screen there, and these have in fact pennied out. Now, I also found a few coffee mugs that are following the brown dot category, and to my surprise, these are actually red square items from Christmas. So be on the lookout for these coffee cups. Red square, these were down at 90% off last week. I just checked them again this morning, and they have in fact pennied out. So be on the lookout for the red square coffee mugs, and again, scan, scan, scan if you are ever in doubt. Now, I also received a really awesome list of brown dot home items. So, your girl has been up all night putting together these slides for you all. You may or may not have seen these items before. I know I haven't seen a lot of them, so I wanted to go ahead and put the slides together and share them with you all. And again, keep in mind that these may or may not have the brown dot sticker on them. So if you see anything that looks similar to these items, especially with all these monogrammed cups and mugs and plates, and we have towels and everything else with the monogram letters on them, scan, 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 because let me tell you, this category is turning out to be a pretty crazy category with unmarked items. We have a Christmas red square. I mean, it's just crazy, crazy. So definitely keep your eyes peeled, study these pictures, and that way when you get into the store, it'll be a little bit easier for you to pick things out that you need to pick up and scan. Now, also, since I have been out shopping and looking for brown dot home items, what I'm noticing is that a lot of stores are overlooking the NCI section of the stores. So go back there where they have 1,000 different mugs and cups and bowls and plates. Go through that aisle, look through it really good, and also where they keep the picture frames, things like that. The blankets are right back there in that NCI aisle, pillows, all of those things. Go through everything and look for brown dots or anything that looks similar to some of these items. A lot of these are in the True Living packaging. And as I'm sure a lot of you all will remember, a lot of these were put out as like gift sets for like Christmas present ideas and things like that. But there are still a lot of items that are just, you know, regular kitchen items, regular cups and mugs. And here in just a minute, you guys are going to see some Real Tree tumblers. I was really surprised to see that those were included in the brown dot category. And there's really just an absolute ton. Like I said, a ton of kitchen items. We have bathroom items, shower curtains, towels, pillows, blankets. We have little kids' pillows, all kinds of stuff. So, like I said, make sure that you watch the video all the way through. Pay attention to the pictures. And then also make sure that you go back and check out the first brown dot video that I put out, because there's just too many items to stick them all into one video. This would end up being like a 30-minute video had I included everything. Alright guys, so we're almost to the end of the video now, and I just wanted to pop back in for a real quick second to point out a few more items that I stuck on the end here. Here in just a few seconds, y'all are going to see some hand soap dispensers that were definitely from Christmas time. So I would be willing to bet that these have a red square price tag. So be on the lookout for those as well, because they are included and they have went down to a penny this morning. So be on the lookout for those. And again, don't forget to go back and watch my first brown dot visual video. I'm going to have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And of course, before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on your notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. Good luck out there today. Happy penny shopping. Happy 4th of July. And I will see you guys on the next one.